I'm up here in Missouri, heading to Illinois. Boy, I've been having trouble with this truck. I had a air leak on this truck. I replaced the purge drive on the air dryer. Got a little bit better, but it was still leaking. That cost $140. So then I turned around and I replaced the air dryer. When I placed the purge valve, it was still leaking. The air dryer was still leaking. So I turned around and replaced the air dryer so it stopped leaking. So the leak got better, even better. It's 95% good, but it's still something going on with it. But it's still good. Went out there and looked. Transmission oil cool line is dripping. Oh man, that brought a little water to my eyes. I was like, oh Lord help me. But it's okay. I had seen it was sweating already. I saw that it was sweating already. But I figured it was okay. But since I've been messing with that air dryer, you know, I've been keeping an eye on it. I looked at it. It's leaking, but it's okay. I got me some oil. I got the tools to go under there. If it gets low, I can top it off until I get back home. I got to get them lines replaced. I had warranty on the truck. When I bought this truck, I put a little extra warranty on this truck. You know, I got it from a dealer. That's one good thing about going to the dealer. You can put a little extra warranty. I should have put a little bit more warranty on there. You know what I mean? And I could have got it done. I could have got it done, well, with $350 deductible. But the guy at this truck is 5 years old. The guy at Bruckner's Mac Volvo said I could have got it done free. But my warranty for the transmission went out last month. Now, I guess that's some kind of manufacturer's warranty. So if I would have went in there last month, I could have got it done. But it went out, but the rubber went out on it. Everything rubber is going out on this truck. You know, it's 5 years old. So it went out. So I got to replace those lines when I get back. You know. So I got two. I got a Marabi Mahal. My wife and this truck, they both give me stress, you know. And if my wife listening, I'm just joking around on YouTube. Don't give me no stress when I get home, please. I'm just joking. But this truck really give me some stress. So, you guys do me a favor. If you got a truck that's under 5 years old, go under that bad boy and check with an automatic transmission, especially Mac Volvo, go under there, look on the driver's side of the transmission, there is a oil filter housing and an oil cooler. Right in between there, there's two little short fat lines in there. If they sweating, if they leaking oil at all, take that son of a gun to the dealership and have them replace it. You probably could get it done for free, because it's still under warranty. If they leaking at all, any kind of sweat on them, call the dealer and have them replace them sons of guns for free. That's what you need to do. Okay? And if you got buy an extended warranty is good. I went cheap shit. The guy gave me 90 days. I should have paid more. I should have got at least 6 months. You know, and I'd have had a $350 deductible. But like I say, Mac Volvo say the truck was still under manufacturer's warranty. You know, for those airlines, not oil cooler lines. That's what he told me. I could have got it replaced for nothing if I would have came in there in October on the manufacturer's warranty for that transmission oil cooler lines. So, but it's not under warranty, so I got to fix that. Looks like it's not going to be too bad to do. So, you guys go in there, go into your truck, get your creeper, look on the left side of the transmission. If you see any kind of fluid leaking at all or sweat, do yourself a favor and call a dealer and have them replaced for free before the rubber gets 5 years old. It's going to leak. So if it's sweating, it may not be dripping, but if you see oil of any kind, they can replace them sons of guns for free if you do it now. Yeah, man, I've been replacing a lot of truck stuff on this truck, man. I ain't been getting this truck, boy. I tell you, my job's not done when But she's still holding me down, She's still holding me down. I think my engine I went up there in South Carolina, going up and down them freaking hills and crap, and engine making all kind of noise. I had that Lucas motor oil in there. Don't put that Lucas motor oil in your engine. Not the motor oil. I wouldn't put Lucas in my engine at all. I think it's good for your rear ends and your gearbox and your transmission, but the motor, don't put no Lucas motor oil in your truck. Now, if you got a little leak on your engine, you can put about a quart of Lucas engine oil stop leak. That's about it. If you got 1540 in there, that's about it. But I wouldn't put no Lucas. I wouldn't put no more Lucas in your engine than that. My engine making all kind of damn noise. I went home, changed my oil. My engine was quiet and smooth and everything. Got that mobile Delvac 1300 in there. That's some good shit. I like it. 1540 will protect you year round. Now I got to get me a small generator for when it gets super cold, because I got auxiliary power plug-ins on this truck. I could use that generator to keep my engine warm and keep myself warm. I just got to get a small generator and a side box. Now I got to get down the road. Shabu means addiction. I'm addicted to that fried chicken. I'm finna eat this fried chicken and these collard greens and this macaroni and this biscuit, and then I'm gonna get my ass down the road. I'll holler at y'all later. Have a blessed day.